you again and thank you for watching the Cooking with an Italian. Today something unusual. We're gonna do a beef heart Schnitzel. Unusual. Thank you very much. Beef heart Schnitzel, something absolutely delicious. It's not common, but I recommend you, if you like heart, you have to try it. And today, gonna help me a little master chef, Enrico. What we need, guys, we need beef heart. Of course, ask your butcher.
You need soya,
Some soya,
pepper,
garlic
powder, salt, and red paprika, and eggs, and flour.
Plain flour and some breadcrumb, okay? What we're gonna do now, we start from the heart. If you don't know how to clean it, just ask your butcher. You know, cut it in half like this. Just clean this stuff here. You know, easy. It's very easy what we're doing, guys. When it's clean, you want this, Enrico?
No!
Yeah. The fat, if you don't like, just take like that. And the job is done. Basically now, we're gonna do, I don't know how much you need, but we're gonna slice it. Try to slice thin, like this. You see? Like that. Something like this. Yeah, like strips. We're gonna make, or if you like bigger, you can do like butterfly. Like this. You see? Like that. But I prefer in this one. Or I told you, if you don't know to do this, ask your butcher. Anyway, I cut the slice what I need and I show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, at the moment I do this. First thing to do, now we put some balsamic sale, some salt, just like that, not much because we're gonna put again in the eggs, okay? Mix a little bit like this and in the bag with flour, okay? Just to not make a mess. Spin like that and shake it. Shake, 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 baby. You know? Shake it like that and leave it on the side. And now we prepare the eggs. Easy. I use 2 eggs. One, thank you, Enrico. And 2. Now we need salt, a little bit salt.
In the egg.
Pepper, garlic powder.
Make sure not to smell the pepper.
Yeah.
Or you'll sneeze.
Yeah, thank you very much. Some paprika, please. Paprika. Yeah, this is my mix. I like it. Try to do. If you don't like, you don't have to. And a little touch of soya sauce. And mix everything like this. I give a good mix and later I show you the next step. Start put on the gas and some vegetable oil, okay, to fry it. And some breadcrumb. Don't make ready this stuff and see you in a second. Enrico wants to say something.
Make sure to get a cow's heart, not a horse's.
Yeah, please. Okay guys, the oil is on and now is the time to fry. I'm gonna show you to fry because we're gonna do, I do that double, okay? Okay, we do this and now simple like schnitzel, but we're gonna do double, okay? Again, okay?
And need to put it in.
Yeah, again. And take your time.
And voila.
And voila. Well done, Enrico. I show you one now, couple. Okay. And straight away, this is gonna fry just around 3-4 minutes. Okay? Take it like that. I make another one. And later I show you all the rest. Guys, this is absolutely delicious. Again inside, voila, like Enrico said.
Voila again.
You know, if you press a little bit, you squeeze it, and you. Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
Sorry, that's our fly alarm.
Oh, wait. Alarm. fire alarm. I'm sorry, guys. But anyway,
Okay, that.
we fried this. You see? Oh yeah, spectacular.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. When it's ready, I'm gonna show you. Sorry for the alarm, okay? But we are live in casa. Guys, the beef heart Schnitzel is ready. I cook it around, it's double
Sided.
yeah, and around a couple minutes, okay? Now it's already not too hot. We're going to try. What you think, Enrico? We try?
Yeah.
And we see how it's inside. Look at guys, it's absolutely delicious. Now, Enrico won't try this, and I won't try this, and we see. Wow, guys, mwah, albacio is absolutely, it's delicious, huh? Wow, and if Enrico says delicious, believe it, it's delicious. Guys,
Because I'm a vegetarian.
guys, the beef heart Schnitzel is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.
Ciao.